This is the Rode NTG4 Plus on top of the new Canon 80D. This is the Rode NT1A. We are not using it for this test. It is just in the way. This is the box for the Rode NTG4 Plus. This is the box for the shock mount that I am using. This is the package for the XLR output to high impedance 1/8 inch audio input. This is the Classic-Softie that is on top of the microphone right now. The high pass filter is on and the low pass filter is on to eliminate the low frequency rumbles. And the high pass is on to increase the highs. That's it. This is a test of the NTG4 Plus. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the NTG4 Plus. Let me turn the high pass filter off. And the low pass. You hear that, don't you? This is a test of the NTG4 Plus with the high pass filter off and the low pass filter off. This is a test of the NTG4 Plus with the high pass filter on. This is a test of the NTG4 Plus with only the low pass filter on. I am going to turn on my audio booth ventilation. This is a test of the NTG4 Plus with the audio booth ventilation on and the low pass filter on. Now I am going to turn off the low pass filter. This is a test of the NTG4 Plus with the low pass filter off and the audio booth ventilation is on. Listen. I'm going to turn that off, even though it feels good. So this concludes the test of the NTG4 Plus. It should be noted that my audio levels are dancing at around -10 dB as we speak. It's going about 2 blocks above the green dot, which indicates -12 dB. On the manual levels for the audio, I have it set to above halfway, between halfway and 3/4. And you can hear a hissing sound. Now listen very carefully. You can hear that hiss. Do you hear that? That is from the camera itself. That is not generated by the microphone. If I turn the levels down too low, it will eliminate the hiss, but you may not be able to hear me correctly. So this concludes the test of the NTG4 Plus on the new Canon 80D. Let me turn the high pass filter back on. And just to conclude, this is the NTG4 Plus with the high pass filter on inside my hot audio booth. This is a test of the internal microphone on the Canon 80D. The microphone is just up and to the left of the lens, right there, right in the front. Actually, there's 2 microphones. There's one right here, sorry, and one right there. This is the one on the right. This is the one on the left. Okay, so it's stereo microphones. It's very audible. I can hear it clearly. This is a test of the internal microphone on the Canon 80D. Let me turn on my ventilation, my foot switch down here. There we go. Listen carefully. Okay, I'm turning off the fan. So this is a test of the internal microphone on the Canon 80D. There is 2 microphones on the front. Let's see if you can see it. It's one on this side and then one on this side. It's 4 holes in a diamond shape. It's just 4 holes in a diamond shape on both sides. So this concludes the internal microphone audio test on the new Canon 80D. Echo, turn on audio booth light. I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Like the video, subscribe to my channels, please. I need more subscribers. I promise I'll do something great in the future. Okay, thank you.